So here we will go through clear soup with dumplings. So first note down the recipe. 2 large English onions, 1 teaspoon of herbs, 1.5 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 carrot, 1 turnip, pepper and salt to taste, 1 ounce of butter, 3 pints of water. These are the ingredients for making clear soup with dumplings. Next we will go through cooking. So firstly we have to chop the onions finely and fry them until brown in butter in the saucepan in which the soup has to be made. Add the water. Next we have to add the water. Then we will we will took the carrot in thin slices and turnip. Add this with the herbs, nutmeg and seasoning to the soup. Next let it boil for 1 hour. Then drain the liquid and return it to the saucepan. And when boiling, add the dumplings prepared as follows. Then we have to prepare the dumpling also. Half pint of clear soup, 4 eggs, a little nutmeg and pepper, salt to taste. We have to beat the eggs well, mix them with the soup, season the mixture with nutmeg, pepper and salt. Then pour it into a buttered jug, set it in a pan with boiling water and let the mixture thicken. Then cut off little lumps with a spoon and throw this into the soup and boil up before serving. So these are the two steps. First we have to chop up the onions and fry them in the saucepan, and then we will use the carrot and turnip along with this herbs, nutmeg and seasoning to the soup. This is the first step and let it boil for 1 hour. Then second step is you have to prepare the dumplings. Dumplings by using clear soup, 4 eggs, a little nutmeg, pepper, salt to taste. Pour it in buttered jug, set it pan in boiling water, let the mixture thicken. Then cut off the little lumps with a spoon and throw this into the soup, boil up before serving. So these are the two steps of cooking dum clear soup with dumplings. So hope you enjoy the dish. Please make it at home and thank you.